Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Marta here, and today I would love to invite you no, I don't believe it. This is Hannah. If you heard this little fart, that Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Marta here, and today I would love to invite you to do some doodling. Watercolor doodle flowers, super fast, super easy, beginners, advanced, everyone can do it. I wish you to relax here. I wish you to not overthink. I wish you to just grab your paints, grab your brush, grab some watercolor paper and just paint, and then we're gonna doodle. Please don't think too much of what you're gonna paint. I'm gonna be chatting with you while painting, but I wish you to just basically grab your brush and just do something. Just do some basic shapes, shapes that they will remind you of a flower, but they don't necessarily have to be that super proper. No, 1, 2, 3 and go, and next one. And don't try to make this perfect. Don't try to make this equal, so every petal will be super. No, today it's all about making your hand very freely, no stress, and just grab your brush and just go for it. Just go with the flow. Just no, I don't believe it. I don't believe it. This is Hannah. If you heard this little fart, that was Hannah. That is here in the studio with me. And you know what? I'm not gonna delete that. I'm gonna keep on painting, and that's it. So yes, I am painting, as you can tell, some shapes, some basics, nothing special. But the fun will be when we start to add doodles to it, and it's gonna be awesome because we will do something really nice with it. Again, I'm trying to relax my hand. I'm trying to just trying to make something super simple and yet very pretty, I hope. The most important part of this exercise is to be random at somehow and try to kind of enjoy as things are, without really putting a pressure on yourself of hello Hanya. Yes, can you believe it? It's been 2 weeks since my last painting, since my last video. I have been tidying up my studio. If you are watching my social media like Facebook and Instagram, you would know that I've been tidying up because it's just so bad. It was so bad, and it's awesome now. Hello baby. Hi. 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 I'm gonna show you her because she is just making those gorgeous smiles today. Let me grab the camera. Hi. Hi. Who's here? Is that Hannah? Hi. Oh, what's that? What's that? Hi. Hi. That's a big camera, isn't it? That's a big camera there. Okay, let's continue our painting journey. You can do any shape you wish. I wish you to make any shape you only wish, and be creative. Add dots, add some lines, and use your imagination really. This is a very simple exercise, but really nice. I love it. I love it. Love it. I just wanted to come back to you, and I just wanted to do something fast and simple and easy enough for everyone to follow, and for everyone to actually feel I can do it. I think I can do it. And also I wish you to see that you not necessarily have to have the best proper branded paints, because I'm using those, I think you can get those in Michael's or some other really not expensive paints. So I really I'm using nothing special, and you can do that as well, as you can tell. I'm just trying to see what other colors I'm gonna do. I think it's time to change the nappy because the smell is coming here, and I think she already finished. I think she finished her doings. Are you? I think you did. I think you did. Now, it will be nice even if your flower is not perfect and it's really... Ah, this is a funny way of recording with phones and all. Back to painting, back to painting. So let's see. Now your shapes, they could be any really shape you wish, and it will be interesting to see how things are when we start doodling on them. So this will be lovely. Try to use all the colors maybe, so everything will be nice and colorful and, you know, different. Okay, I think enough of chats. Let's see if we can doodle and what we can doodle and how things could be. So to start off, now I'm also trying really be out of lines, in the lines. I really don't mind that. You don't have to necessarily concentrate on making sure that you are in the lines, because the idea is actually to be not in the lines really. So there we go, little flower like that. Sometimes you may be more precise, but the idea is for you to actually grab your brushes, grab your paints, and really feel that you can just do something simple so fast, like myself. We often think that we don't have enough time to create, and that's how I feel recently, but I miss it. So I wish to really be part of creative process as I was, and doing simple things like that, you know, I feel, oh wow, I can come to my studio for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and just do something for myself, something that I like, something that I enjoy, something that doesn't cost me much money, something that doesn't expect from me to be so super precise. It doesn't take much time and skills, because anyone can do those things. It's, oh, well done, Hanya! Woo! Well done! She just somehow pressed the little owl that is there. Of course, she probably doesn't know that she did it. Now, as you can tell, I'm just doodling over with my black pen. So you can grab any sort of pen you have and just go over. Use your imagination, loosen up your hand, and don't overthink. I'm doing it quite fast, I hope you can tell, quite fast, and I'm not really thinking what I'm doing, because the idea is to just enjoy it freely. And overall when this will be finished, I think it will look really, really nice. So hi, hello, hi, say mama. Hi. Ah, my little Toto. Mama. Of course, it's too early, but never too early to teach them, isn't it? Mama. Say mama. Mama. Now you can use lines. You can be outside of your painting, inside. You know, it's not about being perfect here. Not at all. Not at all. I have to say that the 2 weeks with no recording is, wow, super long. I'm still fighting with fixing my teeth. This journey is not finished, and fighting with finishing my studio to be cleaned. That's nearly finished, which is awesome. But yeah, my teeth are still still at me, so yeah, not easy to concentrate, to be really honest, but I'll get there, I hope. They say that when you have a baby, when you feed, they say that sometimes it happens that you know, it takes a lot from women, so maybe that's it. Maybe that's why I have those problems, because I never had them before, and now out of nowhere I'm having teeth problems. So maybe that's because of this. Not that I'm blaming the little one, not at all, but hi, I see ya, I see ya. Yeah. Oh, she's such a joy to have, guys, you know, such a joy. Now look, you can even go very much kind of not super looking, not super precisely looking flower. I love that. Free your hand, use your imagination, don't overthink anything, and just go for it. Go for it, you know? As the faster you do it, you can always try one more time if you don't like this. Grab another page and just do it again if you feel. But I think that the more precise we are, the less nice this kind of comes out. I think the fact that we can just do it just like that, as you can tell, just like that, just, I think that's better. I do think. You know? Just go for it. I'm looking forward to seeing your quick doodled flowers. I'm looking forward to see that, so make sure to let me know when you do your own on Instagram, on Facebook, anywhere you feel like it, to show me. I would love to see that. Hey, doodle away, doodle away. Possibilities are endless. Even if you have a smaller flower and the, you know, the bigger flower, the color outside, that's all fine, whatever you feel. Oh, I didn't even realize I'm done here. As you can tell, that's super easy and fun. Look at my first page. I think I improved even with the second page. That was my kind of trial before recording, and that's what I've done now. I hope... Oh! That's Hania. I hope you enjoyed that. I hope this quick comeback to you was a joy for you and encouragement to just grab your paints and do it. Everyone can do it. Looking forward hearing from you what you think. I hope I'm able to be back sooner than 2 weeks to you, especially that my studio is finished and I have plenty room on my desk, but we have a gorgeous weather and I'm a little bit gardening. I'm gonna start gardening because the weather is in Ireland back with a awesome sun, so I may not be that much around, but I miss you so much, so I had to come back even for those 10 minutes, 15 minutes. So grab your paints, paint with me, and please don't forget to share this video with your friends. No, actually, I should also remind you that to receive all the notifications about new videos, you have to click subscribe button and the little bell. There's a little bell next to subscribe button that you should click, so you will definitely be informed about all of my new videos. So thank you so much for your time. I'm gonna say bye and I'll chat to you very soon. Happy painting. Bye. Bye bye.